Hi, welcome to our tiny porch. Since the pandemic a few months ago, we have obviously been spending a ton of time at home. And so we decided to kind of update our porch a little bit with article. Oh, hello.
You doing a video?
Yeah. They're really good quality at a really good price point. So I will show you the before of our little porch area, and then I'll take you through what it looks like now. Okay, here we go.
Hi.
Hello.
And welcome to Andrew's reading corner.
So pretty much everything you see here is article. We had this chair over here last summer and we just wanted to add a few extra chairs. Okay, so we ended up getting a rug, which Andrew kind of laughed at me about, but it's really nice in the evenings. It's like warm and really soft on your feet. This pillow is actually from my girlfriend's company called Droplet. And it's a repurposed old Turkish rug, and it's actually zero waste pillow, and I love it so much. This pillow is also from Article, as are most things in here. I loved this kind of terrazzo little table that you can use this indoor or outdoor. This is old H&M. What else? And then we just kind of wanted like a little bit of green to break things up. And then we have these two chairs right here, which are from Article. And then this blanket is also Droplet. It is Turkish cotton. Okay, so then we have this little wool poof right there that's really nice for putting your feet up. Andrew is sitting on these really comfortable black and natural wicker chairs, and they're curved, so they're actually really comfortable. And then we've added the sheepskin on there just so that it's a little nicer on your bum.
Which I can confirm is very nice.
It's very nice. These pampas grass are actually from a female-founded company in Montreal, and it's called Pampa Style. And then we also have that little side table, which has a concrete top, but then we have some books on it. And then I'm actually going to turn on the lights so that you can see what that looks like. On this wall right here, we've actually started putting up a white sheet and using a projector to watch like movies, and we were watching the Raptors games, and it's just like a nice little activity to do, even though you're literally not going anywhere. There we have the lights. Andrew put them up. Good job, baby. They look so pretty.
Yeah, not bad, eh? Are you a sucker for string lights?
I'm such a sucker for string lights. That was like the only thing I wanted at our wedding.
It was more important that we got married under string lights than who you got married to, I think.
Kind of, yeah.
This was your one non-negotiable. I don't know how to act natural, so I just looked directly at the camera with no facial expression.
Okay, that's it. That's our porch.
That's how cozy we are. Out here the entire summer.
Yeah.
All of fall.
Yeah, we have. I've started working out here with like a little heating pad, and it's just so nice to be outside. It's just nice to have like a nice space when you're spending so much time at home. I think that's really important. So we've been spending a lot of time out here.
We basically pillaged everything in the house to make the porch the best.
Yeah, we did.
The house is bare.
Andrew and I actually have a little Q&A video if you guys want to see more of the two of us. It's really funny.
Oh yeah.
And subscribe if you want to.
No, can I say that? Like all the bloggers do?
Sure.
Hey guys, a lot of you have been asking me about subscribing, and there's a button on one of these corners. That's it. Yeah. That's all I got.
That's it. This sweatsuit is from Everlane. I just really love the color. I'll link that below, and I will also link everything else below.
You look like a pumpkin spice person.
Pumpkin spice wife.
Pumpkin spice wife. Your pumpkin wife latte. It's actually out of control. It's cute though.
Okay, thanks for watching.